is heavy.
Yeah.
What's so cool about manufacturing? I wonder how this was made.
Yeah, let's go ask Miss Twizzle.
Did somebody call my name?
Miss Twizzle! Do you know how this was made?
To be made or how to be made? That is the question.
Let's take the super yellow van!
Gosh, Jen, I wonder how the foundry works. I don't know. Let's go ask the workers. We're here! Let the field trip begin! At Weatherly Casting and Machining, it begins in engineering. Some products use 3D prints for molds.
Foundries are basic industries, and they are used to make parts for all kind of product.
What products are made here?
Pump impellers, pump casings, pump, all kind of pump parts.
Castings are everywhere. It's been said you're never more than 10 feet from a casting. Having a reliable casting supply and foundries to produce them in the United States is very important to our economy.
It's kind of a dying industry to where people don't know how to do these jobs.
A lot of that equipment goes in water treatment, sewage treatment, river dredging. Life would be a lot harder without casting.
People don't realize that a lot of the stuff that we make is made in the foundry.
Companies outsource overseas for lower cost castings.
That was so cool. It was really cool, but it's sad that the United States is losing foundries.
Yeah, I think it would be awesome if more women worked in the foundries because they could do a lot more in foundries.
Yeah. Thank you, Miss Twizzle, and thank you to all the workers at Weatherly Casting and Machining.